Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be discussing a problem that everyone faces during the data analysis, which is removing blank rows from the data. So as an example, here we have a product sales data by region. So if you look at this data, right, so we have a blank row here, which is in row number 48. So we want to get rid of this. So now we are going to discuss one of the easiest way to get rid of this blank rows. So first thing is you select this entire data. Once you select the data, go here and then name your data. I mean, give a name to the data, and I'm just giving like my data range here as an example. Once you do that, now go to the data tab and then click on from table or range. Once you click on that, power creator pop-up will come. So once that pop-up comes up, right, so just check number of columns and the number of rows in the left corner on the pop-up window. Bottom left corner. So we have four columns and then 53 rows. So now we want to get rid of the blank row, right? So on the top right in the home button, home section, you see remove rows, right? Click on the remove rows and then click on remove blank rows. So once you click on remove blank rows, now you see there are four columns and then 52 rows. That means the blank row, right? That row got deleted. So this is the easiest way to remove the blank rows from the uh, data in your Excel file. And once you delete that, you just click on close and load. So that's it. We have our data here.